Okay guys, it's that time of year again for the Palmetto ADV Rally 2025. All you ADV hooligans, come join us for an exciting adventure at the Sandy Run Sandpits Hunting Preserve. Get ready for a full weekend or just a day filled with thrilling rides, scenic trails, and unforgettable memories. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, this event is perfect for all skill levels. Don't miss out on your chance to connect with fellow adventure enthusiasts and explore the great outdoors. Mark your calendars and get ready for this epic experience at the 2025 Palmetto ADV Rally. Start your riding season off right with a trip to the low country of South Carolina for the 4th annual Palmetto ADV Rally, brought to you this year by the South Carolina Moto Lawyer, Rick Stewart, South Carolina's premier Moto Lawyer. If someone made you fall, you better make that call. Call Rick Stewart. This year, the rally is in the same location as last year with even more riding and camping areas. We will be at the Sandy Run Hunting Preserve in between Cottageville and Somerville off of Highway 17A with 1,200 acres of trails, sandpits, and 5 lakes to enjoy. Every campsite this year should have a water view, and this year will include new routes along with on-site training and riding, ADV games, and daily excursions for exploring and keeping your riding skills sharp and or improving on skills that all ADV riders need while out on the trails. We will also be hosting a Ram Rally. Live music, bonfires, good times, riding buddies new and old, and tall tales are to be had at the 2025 Palmetto ADV Rally. We are located close to the original SCAR, so unlimited SCAR rides are available. Go to Eventbrite at the Palmetto ADV Rally for your tickets today.